Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel of Debneel's Mathematics Desk. So the last part of data handling for class 8 is here. So yes, I have been absent for the previous 2 days. The first one was New Year, so we don't make videos on New Year. We just have fun on New Year. So I already mentioned, leave me in the comments whatever your beautiful plans on this occasional day. Share with me and I will also share with you what I did. And so let's resume our video after the New Year parties and whatever we have had. So what have we done till now? Bar graph, the elder brother of bar graph, Mr. Double bar graph, and frequency distribution table. And we also learned how we can do mathematics using sticks. What do I mean here? Tally. Tally is what I mean. Mathematics with sticks. This is 1 2, like this it goes on. This is 5, and so 6 7, and like this it goes up to 10, which is like this. Yeah, you learned it. You learned frequency, which is the number of times a separate data value is used. We learned about class interval, which helps us to means arrange the values in ranges to make our data column smaller. And when we are calculating the values within a class interval, we can't take the upper limit of the class interval. Except for the last class interval of the data column, you have to include both the lower and the upper limits. This was quite easy stuff. And bar graph we learned quite a easy means representation. On x-axis, our data values are represented, whatever things we have, items, places, population, mode of transport, anything. And on the y-axis, the number of times or the frequency of those data values on x-axis are represented in vertical columns on the means against the values of the y on the x-axis. Okay, this was bar graph like this, and it is x, this is y. Suppose 1 2 3 4 5 are the data values on x, so like this the bars were drawn. Just drawing a rough one, you can understand. And here on some imaginary scales were taken, so you can just do like this. You can, the number up to which these vertical columns rise, you can write those numbers on the top of the bars. I'm just imaginarily writing the values. Okay, don't take them seriously. So this was like bar graph. Why I left this one, I don't know. And we also learned double bar graph, where for one single data value we can have two means cases. Suppose we learned that example. So I'm taking another example. So in a competition of suppose eating the most number of items, there are 5 items. Suppose cakes, whatever, burger, pizza, anything you want, uh, coffee, and anything, chocolates. So suppose two of us means I and someone else participated, and I means at each of the things. Suppose cake I had 5 times. Okay, don't consider real life example. I am just means trying to make you understand. Burger 3 times, pizza 7 times. Suppose I like it, that's why I wrote it more. What else was there? Coffee, not cobalt. Okay, this is coffee. I did 2 glasses. I can't eat hot things that much. And what else can be there? Chocolates, ice cream was there. Icy ice, right? I ate 5. And my another friend, suppose this is me, Debneel. My another friend, suppose friend, he ate 7, 6, 2, 4, and 5 respectively of each of these items. So I can what do? In my data column, these will be my the things that can be eaten are the data values. Separately, I will write for each data value. I have means eaten up to 5. So on the y-axis up to 5. Just beside that item, how much my friend ate? 7 times. So just beside that up to 7. That's how the bar graph or the double bar graph is formed, which helps us to means for one single data value frame two respective means cases for the values on y-axis. So that's the use. So double bar graph is Not that common in the questions, but bar graph, just remember the system. All the values on data values on x-axis and the respective frequencies on the y-axis with the help of these bars. Okay, easy stuff. Yeah. So we learned up to this, but now we have something else as well. So give me 1 second, guys. Yeah. So these was means easy, nothing with that. But we have something else. So we have learned bar graph, double bar graph. So another person is seekingly watching us. Who is he? I think it's pie graph. Yeah. So pie graph is the last part of data handling for class A. So how can you represent values and the frequencies in a circle? You can do using a bar graph. You'll be saying, we are the bosses in that. But how can you do that with a circle? Let's see how we can do that. So there is a means method. So I will means explain to you directly with the help of the sums. Okay. But still I am for a basic introduction I am telling. So pie graph, so it's also a pie chart, pie graph, anything you want. Okay. Basically it involves a circle. Don't go on my drawing. I know my drawing is the worst possible on this planet. Looks like an egg, I know. Just try to work with this. Sorry guys, I'm not well actually. So I'm coughing. Okay. So for this circle, suppose I have been told that, what do I say? Means A, B, C, D, E. Suppose 5 data values are there. A's frequency is suppose 50, B's frequency is 40, C's frequency is 60, D's frequency is 40, E's frequency is equal to, wait a second, just it's 20, it is suppose 30, it can be 90, so 20, 80, 100, 200, 200, and suppose this is 40. Okay. So you have to represent these 5 data values A, B, C, D, E with these frequencies in this circle. What are the steps that need to be followed? First of all, at the very center of this circle. Okay. So what I will advise you to do is, you know how to draw a circle. You have protector. Okay. So I am bringing my geometry box to try to explain in some way how to do it. So give me 1 second. Alright, let us see what we can make from this. So you know how to draw a circle. Obviously you can, by using the compass, you first of all take a measurement on the scale, and on the compass take that measurement and draw the circle. The point at which you press the needle of the compass at the center, that will be the center of the circle. So suppose this is my center of the circle, like this here. So what I do, first of all I draw a straight line like this. Suppose, okay, like this I will draw a straight line. Then how can you express these frequencies? Here comes the concept of central angle. Central angle is equal to observation by sum of frequency by sum of frequencies multiplied by 360 degree. So what you have to do for any of these, suppose for A is central line, I am writing as CA. What is A's frequency? 60 divided by what is the total frequency? 60, 20, 80, 30, 110, then 90, 200, 40, 240 gone, multiplied by 360 degree. Then just solve 1, 4 and 90 degree. So A's frequency central angle is 90 degree. So I will draw a 90-degree angle here. I am bringing this compass into the game, trying to draw one 90-degree somewhere around here, I think. Okay. Come on, my compass, don't disturb me. So here comes the 90-degree angle. See, this angle, this means the angle formed 90 degree. This is the central angle of A. So we can write A here. Now see. Now B. B is coming. So B is what? B is central angle. B's frequency is 20. Total frequency is 240 multiplied by 360 degree. Then do 1230 degree. So what you have to do now? Now place this protector like this on this axis. Okay. I'm trying to do it. Just hold on. Okay. Place it here. Then see where is 30 degree. It is, can take any of the axis, but just wait. So here is 30 degree. So then just take it off, please. Yeah. And then draw a line here. This angle, this one, this is 90 degree. This is now, then see this angle. This is for B, 30 degree. That is central angle of B. Now see. Now coming to Mr. C. C's angle. C's central angle is what? C's frequency is 30. Total frequency 240. Multiplied by 360 degree. Then do 8, 45 degree. Okay, then placing this protector on this line of B. Okay, just here like this, press it. Then see, where is your 45 degree? Where are you, my little 45 degree? You are here, I think. Yes, somewhere here protected. Using on whiteboard is a horrible task. From this line, draw it here. Okay. Then see this angle. This angle. This is for C. It's 45 degree. Okay. Now comes D. So D is central angle. It is now what? 90 by D's frequency is 90. Total frequency 240 multiplied by 360 degree. Then do 3, 8. This comes out as 45 degree. 45 into 3, 135. So then placing this protector on this line of C. Let me try to do it. Come on, my protector. Yeah. Then C, where is your 135 degree? It's here. Somewhere here. So you know what? Now I will draw a line like this till the center. This part, this angle is for D. And then see the most interesting part. Who is remaining? Angle E. So E's central angle will be equal to frequency 40 divided by total frequency 240 multiplied by 360 degree. Got it? 60 degree. Yeah. Now see, if placing this protector on this line of D, the angle comes out as 60 degree. Okay, wait just a second. Yeah. Now see. Okay, just wait a second. This is coming 50 degree, I think. It's coming 50 degree. I think that actually see, using the protector on the board is quite difficult. So if you are doing on a page, you can means do it much more easily. What happened to this protector of mine now? It's behaving crazily like I fell. Horrible stuff. Wow, well done. So see, my protector is also crying. I can't do it on the whiteboard. Don't ask me to do that. But still we have to. So just try to understand this, okay, the concept. So you have to start using a line, then you have to calculate each central angle of the first data value. I got 90. So first of all, from this line, another 90 degree. Then on this line, okay, place the protractor. Then draw the means next angle on the protractor for B, the next central angle. Then you got this line. Then again place the protractor on this line. Then for C, draw the next central angle for C. Then place the protractor again on this line. Then draw the angle for D. Okay, using the central angle of D. Then you got this line, and then you see this is the final part. So you can obviously write as E. This is the concept of pie chart. I know that it's not clear if you are doing on blackboard, but if you are doing using the pencil, ruler, compass, protractor on the page, you will be. So I will try to post a video of that as well. I'll write in a copy and try to do the sums in the copy and post it in my channel so that you can see how it's done a clearer way. But we will try to understand the concepts using 2 to 3 sums on the whiteboard as well. So let's see how we can do that. In the page you can be accurate with your measurements, so there no problem will be there actually. So let's consider the cases here as well. Okay, so here I go, and the first question actually is on your screen now. So this is Mr. Mirza's monthly money chart. What is this money chart now? So Mr. Mirza is a person, so who has means total monthly income of rupees 7,200. So his monthly income 7,200. Okay. Then means from this 7,200 on rent he spends 1,800 rupees. Well, he's a rented house. Okay. And on food, obviously we need food to survive. He spends rupees 2,700. Okay, this is the means his total monthly income from which he is spending these values. And obviously education will be the next thing. You have got place to live, you have got food, then the next important thing is education. So education, we don't have to spend this much small amount of money, but he or she has to spend only 900 rupees. Very nice. And on other things, he spends rupees 1,200 and saves the rest. Okay, so now here see one thing. From this monthly income, these things are being spent by him. Okay, these amounts are spent. So how much is this total? 1,800 plus there was savings equal to 7,200 minus what is the total of these four values? 1,800 plus 2,700, 4,500 plus 900, 5,400 plus 1,200, 6,600. Ah, nice savings, man. So 600 rupees in 1 month. Nice. That's or his required saving. Oh, Mr. is there, so obviously he. So this was simple, right? These are the things money spent by on these things, and the remaining means after means spending this money is his savings. So from this monthly income, these are his respective expenditures. Okay. Now draw pie chart for the data. So we have to represent his expenditures in a pie chart. Okay. So if I draw a circle, how means this is tough. You just try drawing a circle just like that. That's something going good. I don't know if the circle is properly round, but guys, I have means almost drawn a means proper circle on the black whiteboard, which I never was able to previously. So nice achievement for me. Huh. So let us now check the means. Suppose the center. So what is the center of this circle? Suppose I take it here. Okay. You have to means when you are drawing the circle using the compass, the needle where you place the compass, okay, for drawing the circle, that will be your circle center. So you will have no problems with that. Now from this center, I will draw all the stuff. So for rent, central angle is what? So if you consider this amount spent as frequency, rent's frequency is 1800. Total income is 7200, the total frequency multiplied by 360 degree. There you go, 90 degree. From this point I told you, draw a straight line first. Then on this line, draw 90 degree. 90 degree. Got it quite right there. Come this side, my protector. So draw a line here. Know how to draw angles. So that's rent. This part is for rent. Got it. Then comes food. For food. Central angle CA is what? Not chartered accountant, CA. Okay. So food's frequency, we consider the money spent 2700 divided by total income 7200 multiplied by 360 degree. I told you the formula, respective frequency by total frequency into 360 degree. Cancel out the zeros, 3993 are 9 8s are 8 here, 445, 135 degree. Nice. So we have to draw on this line now. Okay. So what you can do, you can means draw on this line as well, means put it here and then can we do that? Let me just see. So okay, no, you can't do it. No need. Just put the protector on this line like this. Okay. And then see where is 135 degree. Hello my friend, where are you? We want you. 135, 135 here, here it is. My protector is sick. So then draw a line from here straight up to here. It may be not looking straight, but just consider it the process. So this angle, this is for rent 90 degree. This angle 135 degree. Central angle of food is for food. He eats so much. The pie graph shows to us. So that's the use of the pie graph. When you are drawing a pie graph and representing in proportions, you can directly see which data is taking more frequency. More space equal to more frequency. Okay. Central angle is directly proportional to the required frequency. Remember that. Education. So education now CA central angle. Respective frequency 900, okay. Divided by total frequency, the total income is 7200 multiplied by 360 degree. Get the job done with 1845 degree or what? 445 degree. So this is 45 degree now. Now what I need to do, again I place the protector like this. Wait, like this. I think like this only. Place it like this. Okay. Can do it like this. Yeah. Straight as an arrow on the zero and then see where is 45 degree. 45 degree is your here I think. So here. So it is 50 degree. What? No, this is 50. Yeah. Oh no, what I am doing. Here 50. Take it up. This process is not required on the page, which is means troubling me a lot. Then on this straight line. Okay, draw a straight line up till the center. So you have to draw all the lines to the center. Okay, now we get this angle. This is 45 degree for education. Got it. So savings is quite low. Others. For others. Central angle equal to total frequency, or central angle others frequency 1200 divided by total frequency 7200 multiplied by 360 degree. Go on, goodbye, 60 degree. Draw 60 degree angle now, easy. How can you draw it? Oh, why I'm doing that? I'm mad. Okay, like this, I think. It's like this, right? 60 degree. 60. It is here. So then draw a straight line. What am I doing now? So then this angle now. This is 60 degree. This is for where are you others? What that? What's that small angle now? I am means afraid after seeing that. Yes, that will be savings actually, because see, the savings is also less. So savings CA equal to 600 by 7200 into 360 degree. 1, 12, 30 degree. Is this 30 degree? I think it's something more than that. Keep it straight as an arrow. Oh wait, that is 30 degree actually. See guys, I'm putting the protractor here and this is 30 degree. Wow. See the accuracy of the pie chart. Oh, not my protractor, sorry. The protractor is not accurate. So this angle, I just make you see. I will means upload a video on page. I'm telling repeatedly, but I will just sum on page and show it to you. So this is savings. I have to light like this. Yeah. Understand the process. First of all, take the center of the circle. From there, draw a straight line. On this straight line, draw the first data values, central angle. And 90 here, so draw 90. Then, okay, then put a line on this line. The line which at first you drew is draw. Then just hold a protractor like this. Okay. Because see, if you means hold it like this, no, it will be going upwards. So now that is not possible. The circle will keep moving like this, not like means first like this, then like this. No, means this is like this, it is moving, right? So here then draw means keep the protractor on here. For the second value, the central angle, draw it here. Okay, then you get this line to means this is the angle, right? If you get this line, you get the second angle. So put the protractor again on this line, then draw the third data values central angle. Then you get this line here. Again put it here. Okay. Then draw the fourth data value central angle. Okay, by putting the protractor. Okay. Then you get four values. Then put means calculate the fifth value central angle, and then put the protractor on this line. Okay, like this here. The zero and means you have to keep this center. Okay, it's this one. This center. I'm trying to please explain. Wait. This center, as you can see, this one. This one should be kept on the circle's dot. This center dot. Okay, and the line should be means parallel to this zero. Remember that. Then see where is your final central angle, and see that is 30 degree, which is our required angle already done. So that's the use of pie chart. Okay, you can now see if I ask you which means task is the least, means on which task does Mr. Mirza spend the least money. Your answer will be what? Savings. Because the smallest angle is for savings, and I told you the central angle directly corresponds to the frequency of the data. So obviously the frequency of savings will be the least. That means this is the least frequency. Okay. Okay. Now let's see the next one. So then this is the application food rent savings others. So this is Mr. Mirza's monthly money chart. Let's see the next one. So let's see, we can't means we have to draw. We can show you 2 to 3 sums on one whiteboard, but there are many sums. Okay, there is no limit to the means data handling graphs, because see, in real lives like this, suppose sensors that you have, so you will see a means curve like that. It's going up and down. That indicates what? The rising population, decreasing population, like that. Similarly, you can consider means graphs have means various forms. So this is another graph. So suppose you have been given 5 years and the population of the 5 years, then you can represent that populations in a graph, pie graph as well. Okay, from the graph you will be able to see which year's population was the most by seeing the largest space taken by which angle. That will correspond to the respective frequency, which is the largest year. Okay, you can means do anything with the help of graphs given some respective datas and the respective frequencies. Central angle formula I already told you is quite easy. The respective frequency of the data divided by the total frequency of all the datas multiplied by 360 degree. Why? Because in a circle we have only 360 degree. So that's to be means noted, while means the end multiplication is 360. Okay, remember that. With this silly protractor of mine, I am showing you another sum. Okay, but actually it did a good job. Last part we saw that my 30-degree angle at the end is went perfectly correct. Okay, it was means on spot. That was a required 30-degree. So you have to see at the last the angle that is remaining. Means suppose here a circle is there. Okay, and you have drawn like this. All central angles you have drawn. Now suppose this angle, it is only remaining. Then see this last data values frequency or central angle is what? Then match it with this angle. If it's same, your pie chart is absolutely correct. Remember that. The last angle, if it matches with the last data values frequency central angle, then your pie chart is absolutely correct. Okay. Let's see the last one. It looks like a cockroach, I know. So let's see. Okay. So this is the means easy thing. Let me just show you. Following data, draw a pie graph. So here I have some subjects. Means a student has given an exam. Okay. Students exam report, like this is given. Students exam report. So a student has given means suppose any exam report, half yearly, annual, and in 5 subjects he or she has got some marks. So like this the data is given, subject and marks in percent it is given. Okay, the subjects are Hindi, okay, English, then maths is also there, I hope. Yes, maths, science, and social studies. These are the 5 subjects on which the respective student gave the exam. Got it? And percent he or she got these marks: 60, 45, nice, 42, 48, 75. Draw pie chart. Draw. So I told you pie chart and pie graph is same. Okay. Pie chart for the data. So this is easy. This is very easy. Following the same method, we draw a circle first. I'm trying to draw again a good one. It's not good. It's looking oval. Horrible stuff. Uh, what is this? A circle, rectangle, or what am I drawing? I myself I don't know. This is not a circle. Come on. So I accept that I am not good in drawing. This quite means I can see. Also, squarish circle. Try to accept it. So let's begin our work. So the center of this circle, when you are drawing a real circle on a page, you are having the compass. The center of the is needle of the compass is your center, where you are putting it and drawing the circle. The needle is the center. Automatically, see the center is marked. So here, suppose I have taken the center. I don't know what is the actual center. Okay. Now I draw a straight line first from this. Now let's begin our central angle business for Hindi. Central angle equal to Hindi's frequency is 60 divided by total frequency is 60. So I'm just writing the total. Okay. 45 plus 60, 105 plus 42. So soluble max in mathematics only. Why? Every people see the intention of the question maker. He wants to prove anyhow that everyone is getting less marks in maths. That's not fair. That's mean. Still, have to obey his rules and given data. 60, 45, 105 plus 42, 147 plus 40, 195 and plus 75, 270. My calculation might be wrong. Let me just see. It's right. So, total frequency 270 multiplied by 360 degree. Get the job done with 2, 9, 40, 80 degree. So, on this line, draw a 80 degree. Where are you? 80 degree? Here, I hope. Oh, okay. What am I doing? So 80 degree. This is first line. Then, now for English. So this is Hindi. For English now, central angle is what? English's frequency is 45. Total frequency is 270 multiplied by 360 degree. Then do the calculation 1, 6, 60. So central angle of English is 60 degree. So then on this line, now let's draw 60 degree. 60. Oh, what am I doing? Oh, crazy. 60 degree. I'm going to keep my compass, not compass protector, whatever it's called. Keep it and draw the stuff. So this point, on this point, draw the straight line. Alright, is this a straight line? I am myself confused. So this angle 60 degree, okay. The central angle 60 degree is of English. So this is for English. Then comes, who is coming next? Maths. The subject in which everyone is proved get the least marks according to the question maker as well. Not our concern. Anyone can score 100 in maths if you learn the concepts clearly, right? So mathematics. For mathematics, the frequency of mathematics maths is 42. CA 40, central angle 42 by total frequency 270 multiplied by 360 degree. Some calculation is on your screen. Let's do it. So by 3, 14 by 3, 90. Okay, by 2, 7 to 45. 45 8s or what? 45 8s, yes. So 56 degree. Crazy angle. So for mathematics, just like the marks, the central angle is also quite awkward. 56. So put the protractor on this line of English, which you often recently. Put the point on the center of the circle, the 0 on this parallel to the line, then see where is 56. Finding out the maze. It's here. I will show you in the pages. This will be easier for you then. On this line, right straight as an arrow, bullseye. So then this part, next angle we drew, it is for 56 degrees for mathematics. Maths, I'm right. Science is the next one. So for science, central angle equal to frequency of science 48, total frequency 270 multiplied by 360 degree. Then get the job done with 1694 64 degree. So they are roaming around at 60 56, that mark. So then the last line you obtain for mathematics, place the protractor on that line. Then the center should be on the means this one should be on the center of the circle. Then keep the 0 parallel to the means what do you say? Let me just it's like this actually. Now you have it. See? Keep the 0 parallel to the line you obtained previously. Okay. Then you do this. See 64 degree. It's here. It's here. See? This is 64 degree. You know how to use the protractor, I hope. So then from the center draw a straight line. That 64 degree, this angle now we obtained 64 degree. So 64 degree angle is for science. So here you go. Now the last and most interesting part. So this angle, the final angle, only one subject remains for social study. Central angle is what? Social studies frequency 75 divided by total frequency 270 multiplied by 360 degree. 25, 90, 400 degree. So central angle of social studies is 100 degree. See if this angle means what is remaining, it is 100 degree or not. Okay, wait a second. Okay guys, so actually see, I told you, if you are doing on page, then you will get the last angle correctly. Okay, that's the main system. So here it's turning out to be like 89 degree, it's coming, but it should be 100 degree. In the previous sum, just remember the last angle and the last central angle, they directly matched, so it was correct. So actually if I tell you, yes, this remaining angle will obviously for social studies. Okay, but this last angle is 87 degree, but my last data central angle is 100 degrees, not matching. Always remember, so actually see, my circle is not means actually round. I'm not using proper scale as well, so obviously it will be not that much perfect. It's quite miraculous the way the previous sum went correctly. So I will show you the sums of this X part of partial data handling in page. I will upload the video, I am promising you. I only wanted to make you learn the concepts of pie chart. Okay, so now let me just summarize what we have learned today. So pie chart, it is a representation of the data and the frequencies in a circle through their respective proportions. 2 means represent the proportions of the data values in a pie chart. We have to calculate the central angle of each data value, okay, with the help of the frequency. And for calculating the central angle for each data value, the formula is the respective frequency of the data value divided by the total frequency of all the data values multiplied by 360 degree, because the total angle in a circle is 360 degree. Okay, like this you get all the central angles for each of the data values. So then first of all, draw a circle. The center which you have, from there draw a straight line. On this straight line, then draw the first central angle of the first data value. Okay, then the line you obtain means drew at the beginning. On that line, place the protractor and then rotate it and draw the next central angle for the second data. Then the line you get, okay, after drawing the second data central angle, place a protractor on that and rotate in this direction. So see, that means the process is like this. It starts here, goes here, again here, then here. So you have to keep rotating. See how it's rotated. First I place it here, okay, then it becomes like this, 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 okay, like this it keeps rotating in this direction. So then for the third angle, for the second angle which you obtained the line after drawing it, put the protractor on that, and for the third angle, then see the central angle, what is it, and draw it. Okay, then after you draw the central angle, you get another line. So on that line I can place the protractor, and for the fourth data value, what the central angle you have obtained, draw it. Then for the fourth angle data value, you get the again another line for drawing the central angle. So use that line again and draw the fifth one by rotating it. Okay, and that's how you have to keep doing until the end of all the data values. One interesting thing is there, after you have completed all the central angles and only one central angle is remaining, it is the last one for your data values column. Then first of all, calculate what is the central angle of the last data value, note that value. Then see, when you are having these two lines as the ending lines, okay, you can directly place and see what is the angle. If that angle is matching with your calculated central angle, then you can be assured that your pie chart is absolutely right. After completing all the central angles, the last and remaining central angle, directly I can see that it's matching with my calculated angle. So my process is correct. And that's how you can represent all the data in the pie chart. And what is the usage? Suppose from the pie chart you can directly tell which data value is taking the largest frequency. So in any situation, suppose I told you for food, means which food item you like the most. So suppose if here in place of Hindi it was ice cream, so I'm just doing a little more. Suppose this was ice cream, this was pizza, this was your, what do I say, anything. Suppose this was your sandwich, and this was your burger. Suppose this is the list chart of the items you like the most. They are represented in a pie chart. You have given the frequencies of how much you like them out of 100. Okay, then from here you tell me which thing you like the most. You like the most is to eat burger, because I see burger central angle is 100 degree. Okay, so that's my here it's covering the largest space and the largest angle. And remember, the central angle of a data is directly proportional to its respective frequency. If the central angle of a data is the largest, then its frequency is also the largest and it's occupying the most space. That's the concept. Okay, and that's how you can draw a pie chart. And I think that this method is actually much more easier than the previous methods. It might be looking awkward for you because it's on the whiteboard. I am telling you repeatedly, I'm not using a proper scale, not a proper compass, that's why I can't draw it accurately, but I'm still trying to be as accurate as possible. That's the concept. All the sums that I have done with some extra sums, they will be uploaded in a page video that I will do in my copy and upload to YouTube, my channel, very soon. So be ready for that. You will be able to see the actual sums quite neat and cleanly. So till keep waiting for that. In 1 to 2 days I will upload that. And also this chapter is actually now legally completed. So data handling class 8 part 3 and data handling is completed. Remember what is frequency distribution table, bar graph, double bar graph, and pie chart again, which we learned today. And hope we succeed well in this chapter in the exams. I hope my little friends will, because it's an easy chapter. There's the concepts, just make them clear. It's a quite good chapter for obtaining the full marks, which we all want. So then, see you in the next video with a completely new chapter for class 8. And if you found all the concepts and sums of this video very clear and helpful, then leave a like and share and subscribe my channel. It motivates me to make better videos for my little friends on these interesting topics. And also, get ready for means the actual means picture of these sums on the page will be uploaded soon. And also the new chapter which I will upload quite means in a few days. So see you in that video. Till then, with a lot of love from my side, take care and goodbye. Thank you.